Marie Antoinette was a queen of France and the wife of King Louis XVI. She spent much of her time as queen at the Palace of Versailles, which was the primary residence of the French royal family. Marie Antoinette was born in Austria and married Louis XVI when she was only 15 years old. She was known for her extravagant spending and lavish lifestyle, which earned her criticism from the French people. Her reputation was further damaged by rumors of affairs and her perceived insensitivity to the struggles of the poor. At Versailles, Marie Antoinette had a lavish private apartment that was decorated in a style that was both elegant and playful. The apartment included a bedroom, dressing room, sitting room, and bathroom, as well as a theater and a private garden. Marie Antoinette also spent a great deal of time in the palace's public rooms, which were used for receptions, dinners, and other events. She often wore elaborate and expensive clothing and jewelry, which added to her reputation as a symbol of excess and opulence. Despite her controversial reputation, Marie Antoinette was a patron of the arts and supported many artists and musicians during her time at Versailles. She also had a strong interest in fashion and was known for her innovative and daring style choices. Marie Antoinette's time at Versailles came to an end during the French Revolution, when she and her family were forced to flee the palace and eventually imprisoned. She was eventually executed by guillotine in 1793. Her legacy remains controversial, with some seeing her as a tragic figure and others as a symbol of aristocratic excess and cruelty.